Hi, in this video we are going to discuss the second experiment from the lesson nutrition. So the experiment is to prove that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Moles of leaf experiment, and of course we know the equation of the most important process in the planet Earth is photosynthesis. The equation is 6CO2 plus 12H2O, presence of light and chlorophyll, 1 molecule of glucose. The formula is C6H12O6. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are formed. Now, the equation indicates carbon dioxide, water, light and chlorophyll are essential for this metabolism. I repeat, carbon dioxide, water, light, chlorophyll are essential for photosynthesis, which is said by the equation, of course. But as a student of science, we should not believe only theory. So by doing some experiments, by doing some activities, so we are going to prove, then only we can believe. So science requires the proof. That is why in this lesson we have some experiments. So the experiment number 2, we are going to prove that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Means without carbon dioxide, plant cannot prepare the food materials. That issue we are going to be proved now. And of course we know for all the activities we have to follow some common steps. They are aim, required operators, required chemicals, precautions, procedure, observation and finally result. Now, aim to prove that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Required operators are a healthy potted plant, wide mouthed bottle, splitted rubber cork, petri dish, test tube, beaker, dropper, etc. Required chemicals are potassium hydroxide solution and as well as tincture iodine. Then precautions. Before commencement of the experiment, we have to keep the potted plant in a dark room for more than 3 days to remove the starch or destarchification. Precaution number 2. Gently insert the leaf into the bottle through the splitted rubber cork. Number 3. Apply the grease and Vaseline around the neck of the bottle to prevent the entering of air into the bottle. Number 4. Leaf should not touch the potassium hydroxide solution. Then procedure. And of course we know the way how we are conducting the experiment is known as a procedure. First we have to take a healthy potted plant which must contain long and narrow leaves. Keep the potted plant in a dark room for more than 3 days to remove the starch from the leaf from the plant. Then only we can get the proper result from this experiment. So first we have to keep in a dark room for 3 days to remove the starch or destarchification. Then take a wide mouthed bottle, pour some amount of potassium hydroxide solution. Then we have to close the bottle with a splitted rubber cork. Select any one long and narrow leaf. Gently insert half of the leaf into the bottle through the splitted cork. Then apply grease or Vaseline around the rubber cork to prevent the air entering into the bottle. Now take the setup and keep in the sun region for more than 3 hours. After 3 hours, remove the bottle, detach the leaf from the plant, insert into a test tube contains methylated spirit, transfer into a beaker contains water and boil for some time. Due to boiling water now, leaf becomes colorless and smooth by dissolving the chlorophyll in the methylated spirit. Then, with the help of a forceps, take the leaf out and stretch in a petri dish. Then pour few drops of tincture iodine. Then observe it. Observation. After pouring the tincture iodine, only half of the leaf which is outside the bottle changed into blue and blackish in color. The second half which is inside the bottle doesn't have any color change. Result. We supply the equal amount of chlorophyll, equal amount of water, equal amount of light for both sides of the leaf. But inside the bottle, carbon dioxide has been absorbed by potassium hydroxide solution. Due to lack of carbon dioxide in the bottle, means without supplying the carbon dioxide to the second half of the leaf, now the second portion could not be converted into blue and blackish, indicates carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Of course, very easy. I repeat the experiment. Aim to prove that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis, or to prove the Mons of leaf experiment. Required operators are a healthy potted plant, wide mouthed bottle, splitted rubber cork, petri dish, dropper, test tube, beaker, Bunsen burner, etc. Required chemicals are potassium hydroxide and tincture iodine. Precautions. First, we have to keep the plant in a dark room for more than 3 days to remove the starch from the leaves. Means, to destarchification, we have to keep the plant in a dark room for more than 3 days. Second precaution. Gently we have to insert half of the leaf into the bottle through the splitted rubber cork. And we have to apply grease or Vaseline around the neck of the bottle to prevent the entering of air into the bottle. And last one. Leaf should not touch the potassium hydroxide solution. Then procedure. Take a healthy potted plant which contains long and narrow leaves. Keep the plant in a dark room for more than 3 days to remove the starch or destarchification. Then take a wide mouthed bottle, pour some amount of potassium hydroxide solution. Then take a splitted rubber cork and close the bottle with the help of rubber cork. Select any one leaf which is long and narrow. Gently insert one leaf into the bottle through the splitted rubber cork. Half of the portion has to enter into the bottle. Then we have to apply the grease or Vaseline around the neck of the bottle. And finally, we have to keep the setup in the sun region for 3 hours. After 3 hours, remove the bottle, detach the leaf, transfer into a test tube contains methylated spirit. Keep in the beaker contains water and boil for some time. Finally, leaf becomes smooth and colorless by dissolving the chlorophyll in the methylated spirit. Then, with the help of a forceps, take the leaf out and stretch in the petri dish. Then add few drops of tincture iodine. Then observe it. Observation. Only half of the leaf which is outside the bottle is turned into blue and blackish in color. Second half could not be turned into blue and blackish in color. Result. For both sides of the leaf, we supplied equal amount of chlorophyll, water and sunlight. But inside the bottle, carbon dioxide has been captured by potassium hydroxide solution. Means the second of the leaf which is inside the bottle is not given the carbon dioxide gas. That is why the second half did not prepare the carbohydrates. So by doing this experiment, we proved that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Very easy and as well as interesting one also. Now questions like this. Explain the moles of leaf experiment. write an experiment which was done at a school laboratory to prove that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Or write the precautions for the moles of leaf experiment. Or write the required operators and chemicals for the moles of leaf experiment. Or write the importance of potassium hydroxide solution in the moles of leaf experiment. So like this, which is so easy and very interesting one. Mostly the question may be given in the essay type question for 4-mark question. So by practicing and by following these steps, easily we can present answer perfectly. Okay, thank you.